Okay, new from Crosley, model 33860, vintage metal nautical alarm clock with antique bronze finish. Now this is an all metal antique bronze case and base, almond clock face, glass lens, alarm, adjustable viewing angles. I like that. It's the nautical. You can move it. Very convenient. Accurate quartz movement, simple setting controls. I'll show you right now. There's the back. Very easy to operate. I'm going to let you hear the alarm. It starts out very quaint, but then it ascends 4 times. I think you're going to be surprised. Quality by Crosley.